Welcome to Zane City.
Welcome to Zane City. Today I'm going to make a pickle slushie. I'm going to put this on. Pickle, you know? Okay. Which one is on? This one? Ew! That's disgusting. Did we get everything in the pickles? I think we did. I get some Guys, look at this. Okay, guys. Look at this, guys. So, guys, look at this. Pickle slushie. Look at this. Alright. That's so cool. Now I'm gonna pour this. Ew, pickle slushie. Okay, guys, we're gonna taste some good stuff and some bad stuff. I'm gonna get blindfolded.
Pickle?
It tastes like pickle.
It is pickle, but
Ooh, it's a pickle drink. It's like blended.
Guys, I have to tell guys.
it has to be like Parmesan cheese could be.
Guys, I have to tell you what it is. Guys, guess what it is?
What? A pickle?
A pickle slushie.
Dang it, I was right. I was right.
Okay, I was too.
Okay, bring on the next one.
Yeah.
So this is my one, this is some. I'm Zane.
Zane City, sure.
Zane City.
This one I don't get to taste it because I don't want to because I think it's like the olives.
Go ahead, taste it.
Okay.
You guys get to taste it, I don't want to taste it.
It feels slimy.
Ew. You don't like it though?
What is it?
A green peas or something? It sounds like.
It's like a green bean or like
You
something.
guys are getting it wrong.
Is it? I forgot what it was. It tastes like something that.
Yeah, it's like green.
You guys are getting
It's like green peas.
No.
What was it?
Oh, they were green sticks.
Ugh.
Look at them.
Ew. Yeah, that was nasty.
They look like.
Yeah. Oh, they look so gross.
I now want to try them.
What is it, Mello?
Green peas.
No.
Nope.
Green.
They're
You
green
can take your
sticks.
thing off.
Green sticks.
Oh.
They tasted actually nasty. I never tried them.
I don't want to try
Mello,
them.
do you know what it is?
Get off my gooey hands.
Asparagus.
Oh, asparagus. Yeah, eaten one of these before.
Go eat it.
Asparagus.
That's actually pretty good though.
Yeah, but see, that's it. I'm so funny. I'm not so
You
good.
can touch it first.
I don't want to taste it.
Okay.
I want to eat it.
I don't
Yes.
eat it.
It feels
Yeah,
like.
Eat it, some. You have to eat it, some.
Wait, eat it now?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to eat it because I think it's like something gross.
Oh. Oh no.
I'll give you a
I
hint.
forgot what this was, but it's like something like.
Guys, it's
Yeah, I know what it is, but I don't
guys. It's something black.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I can barely even see it in the black.
No, the stuff in your bowl is black like this. Look. 1, 2, 3, take blindfold off.
Alright.
What is this?
What is this?
This is an olive or something?
I want to try it.
This is an olive. Yeah, it's an olive.
Oh, we got it! We got it right. I got it right.
I know.
Is this an olive?
Now when I saw it, I knew it was an olive.
I broke it.
Look at it. We have juice in it.
Oh my! Oh, sometimes what it calls. What is it?
V8 juice. That's
So scary.
Yeah.
Can we drink it?
Good.
Blindfold's off. What is this?
I know what this is. It tastes so good.
Is this tea?
Yeah, it's tea. It's tea. Cause I tried it before and I got sick. So it's tea. I know it's tea. I know it's tea.
Kind of good.
prune juice.
What is that?
Poop juice?
Zane, I said don't talk like that.
What is this? Is that ant juice? Is that ant juice?
California Gold. Ugh.
Ooh. Guys, look at this.
That tasted in my mouth.
My
Me too.
mouth is like, I'm not gonna eat anything else. Try them.
Try them. Oh, hot.
Get some water.
Takis.
It's 1, 2, 3, blindfold off.
Yep, Takis. Look. Yep, Takis, I know. I don't even know what it was
I
Takis.
want to try it.
Why does it look like cinnamon rolls? Yeah, I know.
Hot.
I think that's why I gave us why hot. Oh, not that hot. This now.
Mom, get the next one. Thank you for watching the blind taste test. Now we're going to taste candy. So guys, I got Sour Pets with a sour, but I don't taste the sour. So you can like buy it on any store in the whole library. In the candy section though. Nice. Oh, this one's thick.
Okay.
Kind of sticky.
It's chewy. It's chewy. It's kind of sour. And it's sweet. Yeah, but it's like shaped like a watermelon. Actually, not gonna lie, some of them actually don't look like watermelon.
Guys, look inside we're going to try this really tastes like Coca-Cola.
Let me try.
Open up, little pig, let me in. Little gummy, let me in.
I can smell Coca-Cola. I can smell it.
Dang it.
Okay. Alright, ready? Let's try. Okay. Oh. It tastes like Coca-Cola. It can't. Wait, I wonder what the bottle tastes like. The glass though, the actual bottle tastes like nothing.
What do you mean, Mario? We're going to taste gooey bananas. They're pretty good, which means they're like going to taste pretty good. Look at this top, look at this cool banana. Let's open it. Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Let's see what, Okay, they taste like bananas.
Don't
What?
taste like nothing, but they're still good. They have like a banana shape. Yeah. Right there?
No.
It kind of does.
I feel like
Chewy.
a banana mixed up with a strawberry.
Oh yeah, that's what I was just about to say. I wonder if there's a strawberry one like this.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, there is.
There is? Oh, that's cool.
You can buy them at the dollar store. You guys, we're gonna try black liquid. So let's open up.
Oh my god, it smells.
Oh, it's kind of tiny. Oh my.
Oh god, it looks like the
Twizzlers?
ones. Twizzlers? Yeah, Twizzlers. Yeah.
Ew.
Like it? Okay. It tastes very nice. I wouldn't recommend these.
You not buddy. We're just eat strawberry Twizzlers.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, but they're not Twizzlers. Smell like strawberries. Can you see? I smell them. This looks like a candy. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
I found out what the black one is flavored. Black olives.
Some are better. I prefer to buy these than these. I know, because those ones are...
Yeah. Let's try some bamboo beans. Hey guys, look at it. Now it looks like we're going to basically they're beans that are colorful and they're different flavors.
Sting bug, toasted marshmallow, dirty dishwater. Dishwater, birthday cake, rotten
Ooh,
egg,
yummy.
buttered popcorn, toothpaste, berry blue, barf,
Ew.
canned dog food, canned dog food, chocolate pudding, booger, juicy pears, spoiled milk, coconut, stinky socks. Can't spell that one. Dead fish. And strawberry banana smoothie. Oh, it smells. That's the smell. Yeah, I want to try one. I don't know which one it is, but it's blue, and it might be. I'm gonna just pick anyone.
What's this? Okay, what flavor is this?
I want to try it. It tastes so
Let me
weird.
see. I got dead fish.
Alright, the white one is. I either got spoiled milk or coconut. Try it. Spoiled milk or coconut. Let's try.
I'm gonna change mine.
It doesn't taste. It kind of. Oh, it's birthday cake. I think something. That's good. Is it good? This is canned dog food. This is dog food. Try, you gotta try it. Well, I got birthday cake. This? Yeah.
Oh, give me.
Oh, no, that's not. What is that? It tastes like chocolate.
Wait, which one is this one?
That's coconut or spoiled milk.
We're gonna find out.
I'm gonna go be using the bathroom.
Thank you for watching
Zane. Thank you for watching Zane.